Hi, Dan Clark at 444 Zacapa. That's an easy address to remember. 444 Zacapa. We're down in the back of the park on the dead end side of Zacapa. Nice dead end street, quiet area of the park. Just around the corner, we got Curry Creek pool area and that stuff. Beautiful home here. The lady has put over probably $50,000-$60,000 into this home. We're asking less than that for it, folks, if you can believe that. We're starting out here today in the master bedroom, painted up in yellow. It's got new fans, new flooring. She's gutted this house a lot of areas and redone it, so that's why the videos are really going to show up very well here today. So got some nice furniture. The furniture is staying. This home comes mostly furnished. Got some nice Tommy Bahama looking stuff here. TVs mounted on the wall. Double windows. Look at the windows, folks. All brand new windows throughout this home. She didn't spare any expense on the windows. Everything is new. We've got a large walk-in closet over here for you ladies. Lots of place for clothes. Guess what? Beautiful bathrooms. Both bathrooms. This is a 2-2 home with a carport and a shed. All the bathrooms have been gutted, sheetrock walls. They were made to be larger. Beautiful flooring, beautiful cabinetry, beautiful sinks, new toilets, extra large, wide shower stall area there. Painted up, two-tone, beautiful chandeliers there as well. Tiffany showed you the flooring as well. Just a beautiful guest bathroom area, master bathroom area here for you. And the guest bathroom, what I was trying to say, is just as nice. So large, king-size bed area, plenty of room. In here, we'll make our way out. We've got the guest bedroom. Newer carpeting, painted up white. New windows here as well, double windows looking out to the side street of Zacapa. Double closets, built-in desk area. Got another built-in storage area there with a bank of 5 drawers there. Got a fan. Again, TVs on the wall. 3 TVs come with this house, folks. 3 TVs. Not small ones either. Nice stuff. Another beautiful guest bathroom. Again, the bathrooms are just exquisite. Sheetrock walls, again, done up in here as she gutted this house. Did the sheetrock walls. Got a nice step-in shower there. Nice sink area here as well. Love those sinks. Can lights in the ceilings. Beautiful. Got that waterfall shower head in there as well. Again, the flooring throughout the home is beautiful. Again, nicely done, painted up here. Little storage area here as well. I'm going to come around the corner. Look at this large living room, folks. Huge living room. The sectional comes with it. Beautiful fan there as well. I think that's probably a 65, 70-inch TV mounted on the wall there as well that stays with the home. Again, just nicely done walls here. Two-tone with the blue. Out here we've got a nice little side lanai out here as well that she really doesn't use. She uses it for storage more than anything. But again, a beautiful side lanai. Look at the windows, folks. All new windows there as well. A little bit higher ceilings in here. Look at the kitchen, folks. If you're a cook, this is a cook's kitchen. You've got about 20 feet of beautiful cabinetry. You've got the self-closing drawers. Nice all-new cabinetry here. Beautiful sink. Again, nice dishwasher. All the appliances are 2 years old. All LG appliances 2 years old. Beautiful refrigerator over here as well. You got extra. Hey, you got grandkids? Chalkboard, erasable. They can write on the walls here. Beautiful countertop. Again, cabinetry. Again, just beautiful. Flooring throughout is beautiful. Double oven here as well. One nice here. Again, all LG stuff. Just, again, backsplash. I could go on. I'm going to let Tiffany scan on that. I'll come in behind you. But again, all LG appliances, 2 years old. Subfloors have been all redone in the home with the new flooring. All new cabinets. All self-closing drawers in the last couple of years. All new windows. Vinyl sided 4 years ago. AC hot water heaters about 6 years old. Got that double convection oven. This is another thing. My wife would love this. Tiffany, look at this.
Yeah, I was trying to get it.
Got a pot sink. and it's over the stove. So again, if you're a cook, you like to cook, hey, this is the home for you. Nice home. Again, she has spent a ton of money on this home. She is asking way less than what she put into this home, folks. Motivated seller, wants to sell it. Give me a call. Wide open floor plan, 207-807-7537. Your dream home has a dream kitchen right here in Bay Indies, 444 Zacapa. Give me a call.